Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the fourth tutorial in the series of tutorials on CSS, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about attribute selectors in CSS. So as you can see, I have a file opened up in my text editor. It's called attribute_selectors.html. Inside the document I have the head and the body sections. Inside the head section I have the text attribute selectors between title tags, and in the style section I have a rule for the input element in HTML. And this is a different rule. We haven't seen something like this in the course till now. So I have the name of the element input, and then within square brackets I've typed in type is equal to text. So the input tag could take in several values. Its type could be radio, its type could be checkbox. So if suppose you want to create a rule that only applies to those fields which take in text values, then you have to use this kind of a rule. And this selector is known as an attribute selector in CSS. So the rule itself is very simple. I'm again changing the value of the color property to orange. So the default value is black, I'm changing it to orange. And then inside the body section I have a paragraph which has a text please enter your details below. And then there is another paragraph which displays the text first name and then also shows a text box, right? So I'm using the input tag in HTML to create this text box, and the type of course is text, and the name of this field is first. So you don't have to pay much attention to this. This is basic HTML. And then I've closed the input tag as well as the paragraph tag. So I'm going to show you the output of this document in a browser. I'll go to the folder in which I've saved the file, double click on the file to open it. So this is the text from the first paragraph, this is the text from the second paragraph, and of course I see the text field here. So if I would click inside this text box and type in any text, if I type in my name, then I would see that the text appears in orange, it doesn't appear in black. And if suppose I change the color here to blue and save the file and refresh it in my browser and type in my name here, you would see that it now appears in blue and not in orange, right? So this is what attribute selectors in CSS are, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video in which we'll discuss another important feature of CSS, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.